Oh my gosh. Oh.
Good going on that one.
Traxxas Day. All of these do, what, 60?
Yeah, 60. They all hit the 60 mark.
What's the fastest one?
The Bandit is the fastest one. This one is rated at 70 plus miles an hour.
We kind of thought like
She
if
flies.
it does highway speed, it's probably a good idea to drive it on the highway.
Makes sense to me. Yeah.
What could go wrong?
It could explode. Oops. This guy. This is Big Bertha right here.
This is the jumper.
The Big Bertha. Remember we did it in the field? And it was like,
That-
and we just flipped.
That's what was doing it.
It's the big girl.
So he's running 2-cell batteries in this one because apparently it's so powerful. If you run a 3-cell, it just flips over as soon as you hit the throttle.
Popped out.
Traxxas car down.
No, it just popped out. I have to take, I literally have to take this control arm off to get it back in. So it's a bit of a process. You have so much fun with these things that you thrash them so hard that you end up inevitably breaking them every time you play with them. And thankfully for us, Traxxas is Dallas, so it's like overnight shipping is ground shipping. So I'll have the parts if I order them tonight, they'll be here tomorrow. But
It's a vicious cycle.
It's a vicious cycle.
I don't know if I should point out or not. I'm not a paid spokesman for Traxxas,
But I am.
but Morgan is.
Basically a trophy truck.
Going for distance on this one. Warming up the fingers.
Ready?
That's fine. Yeah.
That's what you're gonna see.
That would have really been annoying.
First. Okay. Ready?
Uh-huh.
Cars.
We're good.
All right, let's do it.
Dang, it's fast. Holy crap.
That's full speed right
It's
there.
leaving me in the dust.
Okay, you're catching up now.
Oh my gosh.
It's always sketchy when a car comes.
Oh, it's drifting.
Okay, back off a little bit. I'm gonna start slowing down. right now?
You're still doing 60. Oh, oh.
I'm parking right here.
Oh, okay.
Okay. We were cooking on that one. Traxxas cam.
Slapping it.
Okay, go. That's some pretty fine control work, if I do say so myself.
I think the vlog's over just because I want to go look at the footage.
Thanks again, Traxxas.